I'm with AgriHub and the operating division of Cortex Agri-Technology. So as I've been here this week with the kids, looking at all the different, farms and areas, looking at how technology is really integrated into some of them has been really interesting. And also the kids having all the different questions that, that we just take for granted.
My name is Everett Gibson. I own and operate Gibson Farm. It's near Bolsage, Manitoba. I've been here 3 days with the kids. They're great groups of kids. They're learning all about animal welfare and how Manitoba farmers take care of the animals and the land. And it's just been really rewarding to see the kids absorb so much good information.
My name is Miss Houston. I teach grade 4 and 5 at Hampstead School. We got the great opportunity to come to this farm today, and the kids have been loving it. It goes along with our curriculum really well, and the stations are really enriching and just a great experience for the kids to be.